Have you ever noticed how some LinkedIn profiles stand out effortlessly while others go unnoticed? A professional LinkedIn profile photo is your first chance to make a lasting impression and catch a recruiter's attention. But here's the catch. Many people are using outdated selfies or low-quality photos, which can hurt their chances. Are you making the same mistake? In this guide, I'll show you how to create a standout LinkedIn profile photo using Supawork's AI-powered tool. I will put the link under the introduction. By the end, you'll have a photo that commands attention and boosts your LinkedIn response rate. Let's dive into the simple steps. First, head over to Supawork's AI Professional Headshot Generator. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to get started. Click this button to open the tool. I'm preparing to create a male AI headshot, so I'll select male. There are plenty of styles to choose from. I want to change my professional photo in LinkedIn in the new year, and I want it to have a daily office atmosphere, so I'll go with the office theme. Click next, and here we can choose an age range. The default age is too young. I would choose a slightly more mature age range, so I'll select this option. My hair color is black, so I'll choose that. Glasses? No, I'm not wearing any. I'll skip that. Next, we need to select ethnicity. I'm a typical white American, so I'll choose this category. Now it's time to upload a photo. There are examples below showing the right kind of photos to use. That's helpful. Click Upload Images. I only have a selfie on hand, so I'll use that. Alright, now let's click the Start button below to see what happens. The AI will start analyzing the photo and use it to generate professional headshots with similar facial features. In just about a minute, it's done. We've generated 6 AI headshots with an office background. These two photos is too cold-toned. Oh, this one looks great. A perfect frontal shot with a pretty clean background. It looks professional and is just right as my LinkedIn photo for the new year. Next, I'll click the download button to save it to my designated folder. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can click Generate Again and repeat the steps. It's all completely free and doesn't require registration. Okay, here are the results I've generated for your reference. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe. I'll glad to see you in the next video.